outfit for today. Wait a minute. This is the outfit for today, and so we just have the Nike puffer, the Abercrombie like gray long sleeve, and then Madewell white jeans, and then my Uggs. I shouldn't be acting like this. I literally only have one class today and then like a bunch of meetings. Hey guys, I'm finally back in my dorm after my one class. I do have a meeting later, so brace yourself. Ooh, that was a cool little effect. Brace yourself for the information that you are about to receive on how I got BTS tickets. And just to like make myself credible, I got BTS tickets for Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, Map of the Soul tour, and this tour. So yeah, I feel like I have enough experience to be able to let you in on the scoop on how I got my BTS tickets. I will say it's been a while since I've ever like felt this like type of rush with getting tickets, because you know BTS is so big. They sold out stadiums in like 3 days. I'm well refreshed on how I got these BTS tickets, so let's talk about it. Oh yeah, take this with a grain of salt. This is how I got BTS tickets, and you guys can like use what I did to help you score BTS tickets, but yeah, take it with a grain of salt. There are a lot of other videos that like talk about like tips and tricks. You want to do all of this on good Wi-Fi. I'm a college student and I live in my dorm, and I'm honestly, my Wi-Fi is only 2 bars, and I really don't know how I clutched that day, but I would definitely say go somewhere that has really good Wi-Fi. Yeah, you definitely want to have a good network. Also, for registration, you want to read everything. Once Weverse posts like the BTS tour and like how to sign up for pre-sale, make sure you're reading everything, because I know a lot of armies, they bought the membership but they didn't sign up for the 3 dates. Guys, come on, we gotta read. Step 1, step 2, step 3, sign up for the 3 dates. And I was like, oh sign up for the dates, you know what I mean? Especially because those have a deadline. Like, you can't be buying the membership and signing your 3 dates on the day of the pre-sale. Like, that's just not gonna happen. So be on top of that. So we all know that the pre-sale that I wanted to do was 11 a.m. for Stanford, and I was already up 8 a.m. and I had my laptop open to Ticketmaster, and I was open to the date of the concert that I wanted to get. And then when you're on that screen, you should see like a timer that says like maybe 1 hour before pre-sale begins. Yeah, I just recommend being on the page. This doesn't like make or break your spot in line, but I feel like you're anticipating the rush when you're on the page. Like I was doing other things on my laptop. I just had the tab open just cuz. So yeah, definitely like have it open an hour early. I see a lot of people have like multiple tabs for Ticketmaster on their laptop. There's like a 50-50 on this. Like I'm seeing advice telling you that you shouldn't do that, and or like it doesn't really matter. I think that you're not supposed to have like the same account on like the same date. Like if you're on the same account and have different dates on different tabs, maybe that's okay. I'm not too experienced in that because I usually just I only depend on my one account and my one device for luck, and so far like I've gotten the tickets that I wanted. So if I were to be buying tickets for multiple dates, I would honestly have a separate device. I wouldn't have multiple tabs on my laptop just because I don't know. You're waiting until the waiting room opens. I think it's like 10 minutes before the pre-sale starts or 15 minutes before the pre-sale starts. What I did is I refreshed because it didn't automatically put me in the waiting room. I don't think there's any rush to being put in the waiting room because obviously it's just the waiting room. I am not completely sure if like what time you enter the waiting room corresponds with the number you get when you enter the line. You know, it's obviously you just want to be on top of things when you're getting these BTS tickets. I refreshed it and it immediately transported me into the waiting room, and then you wait a couple minutes for the pre-sale to start. And once it hit like 11 a.m., it didn't automatically put me in the queue, so I was a little worried. And if you watch my other video, I was like asking my boyfriend like, should I refresh? It's 11. Where do I refresh me? Should I refresh?
Refresh.
Really?
Go. Go.
No, I'm not gonna refresh it. Why is it not starting? It's literally 11. 1:30. Wrong one. Oh my. I did refresh and it worked, so I don't know, refresh or not refresh, but I feel like refreshing put me in a better spot in line for some reason. Like I was expecting to be put at like maybe 6,000 or 5,000 or like way more, but I was put at 130 in line, and I was like, got it in the bag, you know what I mean? So
you suck.
So just keep that in mind, maybe refreshing right when the clock hits or whatever time that your pre-sale starts. I cannot stress this enough. Do not refresh when you're in the queue. I'm pretty sure, I've never done this, so I don't know what will happen, but I'm pretty sure that if you refresh yourself while you're in the queue and you have a set number of where your spot in line is, do not refresh, because I think this, if you refresh it, we put like the back of the line. And then obviously for this tour, you needed a code. You needed a code from your Weverse BTS membership. I did have that ready, but I didn't anticipate that like you needed it to get the tickets. In the video, if you watch, like I exited the time when it says you need the code, and I was like, wait, why is everything locked? So next time, if they do require a code, have that copy and paste it already, so you don't have to go like 5 something, just Control V, you know what I mean? Also, I watched a few videos, and a lot of videos said study the venue, study the stage and the layout of the stage so you know which sections to choose from. I did not do this. All I knew was that it was a 360 stage, and I was like, dude, what the heck? But yeah, I would definitely study the stage so you get a sense of what sections, what rows you want. So yeah, I would definitely keep in mind the sections that you want and look at those once you're inside the Ticketmaster thing, I would definitely click on those sections and start searching there. And also, if you have a budget, I would definitely choose, like, Ticketmaster has a scale of like different prices, like from minimum being like 75 to 800. I would definitely move that scale to whatever your minimum or maximum price for buying tickets is. I feel like that would definitely narrow your selection, and that would really help you score your BTS tickets. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, when they possibly come out with more dates, another tour, like, you're gonna click back to this video and you're gonna score those tickets.